Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do for the first time a lip swatch video. So these are my favorite nudes from the pink undertone. So I really like nude colors, especially when I'm doing really hyped makeup, eye makeup. Then I'm really looking for nudes. And I also like nudes which have a little bit of pinkish tone in it. And I know a lot of us are not just looking for brown nudes, but we also like pink tone nudes. So in this video I have only mentioned the ones which they are one of the best formulas I have worked with till now. So that's why I wanted to do this video for you guys. I'm sorry if my makeup looks a bit weird because I have done all these swatches for these lipsticks, and that's why the pink is a little budged. Anyways, the products which I have used in this video, they are not only drugstore and not only high-end, they are all varieties, all shades of pink nudes, for medium, for dark, for light, all skin tone. And for sure you will find so many of these helpful for you. I like all of these nudes for my skin tone, for my makeup when I do it, and when I'm looking for a nude pink, I go through all these shades and I'm always looking for one or another. I will also mention in the description the products which I have used. I will also mention the price range. Some of them are not that pricey and some of them are high-end a bit. But yeah, I hope you find this video very helpful, and if you like me to do more videos like this, just let me know and I'll do it for you. Because I was also thinking about doing a one with the red lipsticks, because there are different shades of red. It's not just one red, and we know how different it is, I know it can be helpful too, so I will come up with that as well. For now, without any further ado, let's get started with the video. The first one is Morphe liquid lipstick in shade Schoolgirl. I'm a big fan of liquid lipsticks, and Morphe is one of most promising and such a nice creamy formula. I applied these lipsticks literally once in morning, and in office days it doesn't fade or dry even a bit. This shade in particular is my new favorite. It is nude yet it suits all skin tones. I don't think it's possible to have a list of favorites and not have MAC lipsticks in it. If you have used them, you know what I'm referring to, as their formula is even for matte or retro matte is incredible and non-drying. My next favorite in the list is Mare, which is one of most popular lipsticks of all time. This is a nice subtle nude with hint of pinkish mauvish tone to it, and I love how it looks, especially with blue eyeshadows. Guys, do try it. Coming to our next favorite, I am again stepping to liquid lipstick battle. Here is shade Serenity from Gerald Cosmetics. These liquid lipsticks have a creamy formula, and the shade is the best one. With one swipe, you can see how opaque it is, and this shade would complement tan, medium and light skin tones. It do takes few seconds to dry out, but once it settles, guys, you would not like to remove it from your lips. Coming to our next drugstore favorite from Pink Nude collection, we have shade Milan from NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream. I do think the formula is not that thick, but it does feel light on your lips. It takes some time to dry, however finish is nice and matte. The only challenge I have with these ones is that I need to reapply it if I had eaten something especially oily. This shade complements all complexions beautifully. If you are lipstick junkie like me, I'm sure you have come across the rave of Jour liquid lipsticks. I was pleasantly surprised with this formula, and the shade we have here is Lychee. It's a beautiful pink brown nude and so opaque. It doesn't dry out your lips after a few hours and stay put. Doesn't require reapplication at all. The shade in particular will suit skin tones from tan, medium and light. The next shade on the list is Milani Matte Lipstick and the shade is Tender. The formula is creamy with melted matte finishing. This shade is such beautiful color which suits all skin tones. Even if you look at the packaging, it's so luxurious, and if you are scared of liquid lipsticks, it's a perfect choice. I thank God for the day when the brand Sugar came up. I have enjoyed all its products and new launches, and I'm intrigued every time I try something new from them. Next shade we have is from Sugar Matte as Hell Crayon Lipstick and shade is 05 Rose Dawson. This color in particular looks ravishing on all skin tones and the formula is incredible for such price. Here is Rose Dawson from one of my favorite brands, Sugar. Next up on the list we have 070 from Rose with Love from the brand Catrice. This is a demi matte formula and it's so comfortable on your lips and doesn't make them dry at all. Catrice comes up with amazing products with pocket friendly price. This shade will again suit all skin tones. Here is 070 from Catrice Demi Matte Lipsticks. Next on the list guys, we have Rendezvous from Huda Beauty Matte Lipsticks. These are soft, pigmented, creamy mattes which applies like dream on lips. I'm so much in love with this shade and I get compliments every time I wear it. Huda products are in higher price range but the formula is pretty promising and worth the price. Especially for this lipstick, I was completely sold. Here is Rendezvous from Huda Matte Lipsticks. Next one we have again from Morphe Liquid Lipstick and the shade is Unsettled. This shade is slightly darker than the previous one we tried, that is Schoolgirl, and this one in particular suits all skin tones. The best thing I like about these lipsticks is that I never have to check on mirror every few hours their status as it stays on lips. So on formula there is a bold green check from my side. Coming to our second last shade in the lip swatch, we have shade Countdown from K Beauty Matte Lipstick. I'm obsessed with matte formulas and that is one of the reasons I was drawn to this lipstick. It applies smoothly on the lips and dries fast and gives a nice matte opaque finish. It doesn't budge at all and the shade in particular suits all skin tones. Here is Countdown from K Beauty. Okay guys, we are at the end of our lip swatch. Last but not the least, we have here Laguna Beach from Ofra Liquid Lipsticks. Lot of beauty bloggers, YouTubers rave about formula of these lipsticks, and why not? When it comes to liquid lipsticks, Ofra has one of the best formulas and this shade is such nice, subtle, mauve nude pink which suits all skin tones. Here is Laguna Beach from Ofra. Thanks a lot you guys for watching this video till the end. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe if not already done, and do share.